Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check TikTok view history, and all you have to do is to launch the TikTok application. And then let's say, for example, that I've been scrolling for some time on my TikTok without refreshing my TikTok. I can still be able to see the videos that I've been watching. As you can see, we had watched this one, also this one, and even this one. But in the case that I tapped at the homes because I am bored with the video stack I showing you up on my page. All I have to do is to head on over to my profile, tap on the three lines, and then tap on settings, hide privacy. Then I'm going to tap on activity center. From there, I'm going to tap on watch history. And from here, I can see all the videos that I have been watching. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.